Hi there, my name's Richard from PPL Training. What we're going to do today is we're going to do you a brief demonstration of a fire damper drop test using a mechanical curtain damper in our training facility. First of all, before we do any of these types of tests, we need to ensure we've got the correct PPE, eye protection, cut resistant gloves and a cut resistant sleeve if necessary, not on this occasion. So what we do, we take the weight of the blade and we remove the fusible link, like that, and we drop the blade for its entire height. At this point we need to check that it's sealed along the bottom and it's locked into the ramp underneath as it should do. There should be no obstructions. We also want to be checking here for any signs of damage, corrosion to the blade itself, the housing or the fusible link. Once we're satisfied that everything is okay with this one, we will release it from the locking ramps, lift that back up into its housing and replace the fusible link. And that concludes the drop test.